The topic, the word. So first of all, we ask, what is the word? First John chapter 1 verse 1 says that in the beginning was the word, and the word was God, and the word was God. So we now have to rephrase that question because it's a personality. You ask, who is God? Who is the word? So the word is God from First John chapter 1 verse 1. So now we say, did the word do? The first thing the word did was to create. Because the word, it's by the word that God created the heaven and earth. And if you go down from John chapter 1, if you go down to verse 14, it says that the word was made flesh and it dwelt among men. So that word of God was made flesh, and that is Jesus Christ. So now, what does the word do to us? First of all, the word of the Lord gives us direction. In Psalm 119 verse 1, it says that the word of God is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. So the word of God gives us direction. Secondly, in Psalm 119 verse 1, it says that the word of God giveth light and understanding to the simple. So the word of God gives us light and gives us understanding. And another one is that the word of God gives us the word of God restores back to life. In John 11 verse 43, that said that after Jesus Christ finished speaking, he cried out in a loud and said that Lazarus, come forth. Lazarus was dead and he came back to life. So I urge you to speak into every death situation in your life and it's come back to life. Another thing the word does for us is that the word of God accomplishes. I'm forgetting the Bible, but he said that my word, when I send my word forth, it doesn't come back to me void. Another, it accomplishes that which I have sent it to do. So the word of God accomplishes, and there is power in the word of God, and the word of God has value. In the Bible, the word of God said that the word of God said that heaven and earth shall pass away, but my word will never pass. So the word of God has value. So you can only when you speak the word of God, it can. When you speak and you believe it, it has value and it can do that when you speak. So now the word of how do we now use this word of God? How do we partake in this word of God? How do we use it? The word of God said that the word of God said that we should ask. That we should ask. In Luke chapter 11 verse 13, the word of God said that